That's it? Please don't kill me. Please do not kill me. I'm sorry, it feels weird. It feels weird. What are you doing? Okay, calm down. Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Bad, 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 bad. You are bad boy. Bad boy. Bad? Be nice. You are a bad boy. Bad? Bad boy. Bad boy. Stop being bad. You don't want to go there. Hey, look. See? It's glass. I know. It's invisible. It's invisible. Oh, close-up view. Bad. Bad. Bang. Bad. Bad. Brownie, help me! I got him on my shoe. Okay, you two need to talk about getting along, okay? You two need to get along, okay? You have to get along. Oh, don't bite me. Don't you dare bite me. You two, you have to get along, okay? You have to stop biting people, and you need to stop trying to kill him. Can you do that for me? Can you do that for me? Can you do that? So, you both need to talk about your issues. Why don't we have a little chat, champ? Brownie's so cute. But really, you guys need to talk about your issues. You say sorry for trying to murder him, and you say sorry for literally everything you've done. Hey, I said say sorry. Stop trying to kill the cat. Say sorry. Winter, what I tell you? You know, I'm just gonna enjoy the fact that she's trying to kill him. Hey, pay attention to the bird. Pay attention to the bird. Okay, can you guys just talk about your issues? You all have issues. You all have issues. Hey, Winter. Winter, there's still a demonic bird over here. But you're so cute and soft. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Would you look at this dude? Would you look at this dude? See this dude? He's yellow. But he's mostly gray and white. Don't bite. No biting. No biting. No. What are you doing? Hey, don't go there. You're such a flowey. You are such a flowey. You act just like him. You are evil just like Flowey. Don't yell at me, mister. We're having a talk. We're having a wolf and bird talk right here, okay, gentlemen? You have to be nice. Hey, when I tell you, you have to be nice. You have to stop being a Flowey and start being a nice bird. Shake. Let's shake on it. All right, you don't have hands.